Shalom. There are many different fields that one who wants to help Klal Yisrael, one who wants to better the Jewish people can go into. A person can become an educator, a person can become a rabbi, a person can become a teacher, a person can just be an observant, good Jew who's a role model for so many others. Interestingly to note, the single least successful Jewish position out there, the part of Klei Kodesh that has the least impact, is Kiruv. When you work in outreach, you are not likely to make anyone more observant. In fact, according to one study recently, there are 2,000 Kiruv pros in the United States, and those 2,000 Kiruv pros produced less than 1,000 Balei Tshuva this past year. It's highly unsuccessful. The question is why? So it seems to me that the reason why it's so unsuccessful can be found when we look at the first and least successful Kiruv pro ever, Noach. Rashi tells us that Noach spent 120 years building a teva. People pass by and they say, "Hey dude, what are you doing? What's going on here? What are you building?" Noach said, there's going to be a tremendous flood, a deluge, and we're all going to be swept away because we don't do mitzvahs, because we steal from each other, things like that. And not a single person listened. He didn't make a single Baal Tshuva. And the question is why? So Rabbi Yitzchak Berditchev explains, playing on the comment of Rashi, when Rashi says that Noach mikatani ha'amuna, that Noach was a person of little faith, says Rabbi Yitzchak, the idea is that Noach had very little faith in the people he was supposed to influence. Noach didn't believe that the people of his generation could be repaired. He didn't believe that they had any talent, that they had any ability. And when you don't believe that the people in front of you can improve, when you don't love them, when you don't really care about them, you won't be successful. You can't do Kiruv. So the reason why Kiruv doesn't work is because too many of the people don't love those who they want to be Mekarev enough. And if you want to be successful in any Jewish field, or in any position that's meant to influence others, you gotta love the people you're trying to influence. Again, these are just some thoughts, and I want to wish you a Shabbat Shalom.